Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Transylvania County in western North Carolina, western Henderson County in western North Carolina, northeastern Jackson County in western North Carolina, Madison County in western North Carolina, Buncombe County in western North Carolina, Haywood County in western North Carolina, northwestern Yancey County in western North Carolina, until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles west of Greenville, Tennessee to 4 miles northeast of Silva, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include downtown Asheville, Brevard, Waynesville, Marshall, East Asheville, Arden, West Asheville, North Asheville, Mills River and Woodson. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. These storms are producing frequent and intense lightning. Turn off electrical appliances. Do not use corded telephones. Do not take a bath or shower. These storms are also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m.
Cut off, alright?